Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to Ultimate Cars. This is a 2013 Dublin registered Skoda Octavia. It's a 1.6 diesel and it's automatic. Taxi drivers love these as they are well known for being ultra reliable. This one has been freshly valeted and fully serviced and inspected in our workshop. It comes with air conditioning and loads of interior space and a decent boot too. The only weak point of these cars is the DSG gearbox. We have replaced the mechatronic unit, which is effectively the control unit inside the gearbox, with a brand new unit. Finance is available and may be applied for on our website ultimatecars.ie. It has decent NCT and 12 months warranty is included, however the warranty may be extended to 24 months if required. We are located close to the Red Cow on Colleen Road, Dublin 10. I'm Eugene. Call me on 01 6260 722. Thanks for watching.